Lesson 1. Morning Routine. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The sun is shining, and I feel fresh.
Do you brush your teeth every morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth after waking up. It helps my mouth feel clean.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I also drink a glass of milk.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower before breakfast. It makes me feel awake.
What clothes do you wear every day?
I wear a t-shirt and jeans. They are comfortable and easy to wear.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I always make my bed. It keeps my room tidy.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use an alarm clock to wake up. It rings loudly at 6:30.
Do you eat breakfast with your family?
Yes, we eat breakfast together. We talk and laugh in the morning.
What is your favorite breakfast food?
I like pancakes with honey. They are sweet and soft.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I like mornings. They are quiet and peaceful.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone after breakfast. I look at messages and the weather.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink orange juice. It is cold and fresh.
How do you feel in the morning?
I feel happy and ready for the day. I smile and get dressed quickly.
Do you go to school after breakfast?
Yes, I go to school after eating. I walk with my friends.
How long does it take you to get ready?
It takes me 30 minutes. I wash, dress, and eat in that time.
Do you watch TV in the morning?
No, I don't watch TV in the morning. I get ready for school.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, I sometimes listen to music. It makes me feel happy.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 7:30. I go to school by bus.
Do you eat fruit in the morning?
Yes, I eat bananas or apples. They are healthy and tasty.
Do you help your parents in the morning?
Yes, I help set the table. I also feed the dog.
Lesson 2. At school or work. What time does school start?
School starts at 8 o'clock. I sit with my friends in class.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English. I enjoy learning new words.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, my teacher is very kind. She helps us a lot.
Do you talk to your classmates?
Yes, I talk to them at break time. We laugh and play together.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch at school. I bring food from home.
What do you do during break time?
I play games with my friends. Sometimes we draw pictures too.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like solving number problems. It is fun for me.
Do you use a computer at school?
Yes, we use computers in class. We type and play learning games.
Do you write in a notebook?
Yes, I write homework and notes in my notebook. I keep it clean.
What do you do in art class?
We draw and color. I like painting trees and animals.
Do you ask questions in class?
Yes, I ask the teacher if I don't understand. She explains everything clearly.
What time does school end?
School ends at 3 p.m. I pack my bag and go home.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, we wear a school uniform. It is blue and white.
Do you read books at school?
Yes, I read books in the library. I like adventure stories.
Do you like science?
Yes, I love learning about animals and plants. Science is interesting.
What games do you play at school?
I play tag and soccer. They are fun with friends.
Do you bring a water bottle?
Yes, I carry my bottle. I drink water when I feel thirsty.
Do you carry a backpack?
Yes, I carry a backpack with books and lunch. It is red and big.
Do you like group work?
Yes, I enjoy working with my friends. We share ideas and help each other.
What do you like most about school?
I like learning and playing. My friends make school fun.
Lesson 3. After school or work. What do you do after school?
I go home and rest. Then I do my homework.
Do you eat a snack after school?
Yes, I eat a sandwich or some fruit. I feel hungry after class.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch cartoons or a family show. I sit on the sofa with my sister.
Do you play outside after school?
Yes, I play with my neighbors. We ride bikes or run around.
What time do you do your homework?
I do my homework at 4 p.m. I sit at the table and use my books.
Do you read books at home?
Yes, I read books before dinner. I like short stories.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help wash dishes and clean the room. I also feed the cat.
Do you talk with your family in the evening?
Yes, we talk at dinner time. We share stories from the day.
Do you take a bath or shower in the evening?
Yes, I take a shower before bed. I feel clean and fresh.
What time do you eat dinner?
We eat dinner at 7 p.m. We sit together at the table.
Do you go outside in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a walk with my dad. The air is cool and nice.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games on weekends. I like racing games.
Do you call your friends after school?
Yes, I call my best friend. We talk about homework and fun things.
Do you draw or color at home?
Yes, I draw animals and houses. I use many colors.
Do you play with toys at home?
Yes, I play with cars and blocks. I build tall towers.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and read a book. Then I go to sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m. I feel sleepy after a long day.
Do you say good night to your family?
Yes, I say good night to everyone. We hug before sleeping.
Do you keep your room clean?
Yes, I put my toys away and fold my clothes. My room looks neat.
Do you like evenings?
Yes, evenings are calm. I spend time with my family.
Lesson 4. Weekends and free time. What do you do on weekends?
I relax and play. Sometimes I visit my cousins.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park with my family. We have fun on the swings.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, we visit them on Sundays. They cook delicious food.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch cartoons and fun movies.
Do you ride a bicycle?
I eat popcorn too. Yes, I ride my bike around the neighborhood. It's fun and fast.
Do you go shopping with your parents?
Yes, we go to the market. I help carry the bags.
Do you eat out on weekends?
Sometimes we go to a restaurant. I like pizza and juice.
Do you clean your room on weekends?
Yes, I clean my room on Saturday. I throw away old papers.
Do you do extra homework on weekends?
Sometimes I do extra reading. It helps me learn more.
Do you visit friends on weekends?
Yes, I go to my friend's house. We play and eat snacks.
Do you wake up late on weekends?
Yes, I wake up at 8 or 9 a.m. I feel happy to sleep more.
Do you wear different clothes on weekends?
Yes, I wear my favorite clothes. They are colorful and fun.
Do you play board games?
Yes, I play with my sister. We like to play checkers.
Do you bake with your family?
Yes, we bake cookies. The kitchen smells sweet.
Do you go for a walk with your pet?
Yes, I walk my dog every morning. He runs and barks happily.
Do you help your mom cook?
Yes, I wash vegetables and stir soup. Cooking is fun.
Do you go to church or temple?
Yes, we go on Sunday morning. We pray and sing together.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, I borrow books every Saturday. I love reading stories.
Do you listen to music on weekends?
Yes, I listen to music in my room. It makes me dance.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, weekends are fun and relaxing. I enjoy my free time.
Lesson 5. Personal life and feelings. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to draw and read. They make me happy.
Do you feel happy today?
Yes, I feel happy and excited. I had a great morning.
What makes you sad?
I feel sad when I lose a toy. I also miss my grandma sometimes.
What do you do when you are bored?
I draw or listen to music. It helps me feel better.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is very nice. We play together every day.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog. He is friendly and cute.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It looks calm and cool.
What is your favorite food?
I love rice and chicken. It is tasty and warm.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats. They are soft and playful.
What is your favorite game?
I like hide and seek. It is fun and exciting.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is a happy tune. I sing it every day.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like singing songs. I sing with my friends at school.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing. I move to music with joy.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw houses, trees, and people. I use crayons and pencils.
Do you feel tired sometimes?
Yes, I feel tired after playing. Then I sit and rest.
Do you get angry sometimes?
Yes, I feel angry when things go wrong, but I try to stay calm.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much. They care for me every day.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like meeting new friends. I smile and say hello.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love learning English. It helps me talk with more people.
Do you enjoy your daily life?
Yes, I enjoy each day. I learn, play, and smile a lot.